Hey guys, how's it going? How to add bots to Discord mobile. So go back to your screen and go ahead to your browser and search for something called top.gg, and you're gonna see right here the first result, Discord bots. Let's go ahead and click on it. And basically what you're gonna do in this website, you're gonna just go ahead and search for the bots that you want on your on your Discord. Let's say for example I want this one, Apollo, for example, right? So I'm gonna just go ahead right here and click Apollo, for example, right here. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see right here a button called invite, and just go ahead and invite and then log in with your Discord account, and you're gonna basically authorize for this bot to be in your for this bot to be in your basically in your Discord, and basically add to a server right here. Let's say the server, continue, and then authorize, and basically make sure that all check mark checks out, music, or all of that thing. Basically, after you confirm, now you gave authorization for that bot. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.